What up mga solid subscribers, no? So yun guys, unang-una sa lahat, no, syempre, no, Merry Christmas to all of you guys, no? So yun, syempre hindi tayo nakapag-video dahil naging busy tayo. Syempre, spend your time with your loved ones muna, no? Yun. Pero syempre hindi tayo tumitigil sa pag hingi ng updates or parang nakibalita sa ating mahalima, no? Syempre, very big shoutout kay Miss O po, no? Si Miss O, no? Isa sa mga solido po talaga yan, nagbibigay ng mga updates regarding po sa ating mahalima, no? So napaka-informative niya talaga pag nag-vlog, gumagawa siya ng videos po talaga guys, no? Ayun, kaya kumusta kayo guys, no? Yung nakaraan ba itong Christmas, umuwi ba kayo sa province nyo or kung sa bahay man kayo, kasama nyo yung family nyo. Ako guys, kasama ko yung family ko. At the same time, yung family rin ng aking partner guys. No? So yun lang, kailangan natin mag-spend time sa kanila. No? Kailangan ibigay natin yung time na, yun, kasi once a year nga lang halos, no? Or mas maganda ka kahit hindi once a year, no? Kahit once a month. Pero syempre, kailangan di pwedeng mawala yung moment na yun, no? Yung time na yun, no? Which is yung Christmas Day. Kailangan sama-sama tayo, no? So yun, and ito guys, panoorin natin ang video na to, no? Kay Miss O, no? Sabi dito is ito po yung SB19 continues to make waves as 2025 is about to end. Okay, let's go.
From Tatler to Billboard to YouTube Philippines, SB19 continues to make waves as 2025 is about to end. Yes, 2025 is about to end, and yet SB19 continues to collect achievements left and right. Their song with
Tapos ano ko lang guys, ha? Alam nyo, kahit sunod-sunod yung achievements ng ating marima, parang normal na po siya, no? Kasi parang normal na sa atin magkaroon sila ng achievements, magkaroon sila ng mga ganyang klaseng bagay na naaabot, no? Parang normal na sa atin kasi napakarami na po talaga ng achievements na natatanggap, no?
Gcash, Make It Merry Gcash Mo is now the fastest OPM music video to reach 100 million views on YouTube.
Grabe yan guys. Solid, no? 100 million views po, no?
Now we can also up the SB19 and Acer Tahanan music video, which has ranked at number 1 on iTunes Philippines chart upon its release. On the other
Pati sa iTunes.
hand, SB19 Simula at Wakas EP is amongst Tatler Philippines 2025 albums that defined every mood in 2025. Tatler Philippines wrote, "For resilience, pride, and collective triumph, SB19 Simula at Wakas." Few releases
For resilience, pride, and collective triumph.
in 2025 have felt as galvanizing as Simula at Wakas. Built for big stages and bigger emotions, the record pulses with determination and unity. Its global impact mirrors its message. This is music about beginnings and endings, about standing your ground and pushing forward together.
Oh guys, for me ako lang ba, pero itong simula at wakas nila guys, no? Itong world tour nila guys, no? Iba yung feels, no? Umpisa talaga nakakatindig balahibo and then roller coaster ride po talaga siya. Lahat ng emotions mararamdaman mo. Hindi lang siya puro saya, hindi lang siya puro malungkot, no? Talagang full of emotion siya. Titindig balahibo mo, magiging upbeat, magiging uplifting yung kanta, magiging para makaka-relate ka, nakaka-touch sa puso yung mga kanta, no? So ganun, grabe yung concert niya. Hindi ko sinasabing yung iba hindi ganun, pero mas grabe lang po talaga yung etong concert nila to guys, as in napaka-solid po talaga, ano. So yun lang, ayun para sa akin, nakatindig balahibo talaga siya.
Listen when you need motivation, not just for yourself, but for the belief that shared dreams can go far. Tatler Philippines has also named all the members of SB19 in their most influential list. All the members
Yung mga kasabayan nyo guys, Lea Salonga, no, Carlos Yulo, and then siya si San Miguel, I forgot his name. And then silang dalawa guys, comment down below. Hindi ko maalala kung sa I've seen them. Okay, ito si San Miguel guys, no. Siya may-ari ng San Miguel.
of SB19 in their
Excuse me.
most influential list. And
Most influential names, no. Tapos kahilera mo yung mga taong yun, solid na. Pero ibang level din kasi talaga SB19.
on Billboard Philippines year-end charts, SB19 Dam is at number 62 in Hot 100.
Guys, grabe yan, number 62 up to this day, no. Grabe tong Dam na kanta na to, no. Ibang level po yan. Oo, sige, nasa number 62 siya. Pero guys, alam niyo naman, syempre, nag-trend yung Dam na yan. As in, ang tagal tumambay niyan, guys, sa mga top spots, guys. As in, talaga, napaka-solid po, no. And, ayun po, ang SB19 naman, guys, no. Yung ganyang klaseng achievements, no, hindi naman nila parang pinagmamayabang, no? Basta tayo na lang din nagyayabang, no? Tayo mga fans, no? Kumbaga, yun, tayo na. Kasi syempre, SB19, humble kings yan eh. Kaya tayo na lang magyabang guys ng mga achievements nila.
It is also at number 24 in the top 25 Philippine songs. SB19's Christmas song Ligaya is amongst the 12 of the best OPM Christmas song of all time, staff picks.
Grabe, no?
Billboard Philippines wrote, as one of just a few Christmas tracks in the P-pop canon, SB19's Ligaya reframes the season of Christmas as an emotional reset, pairing contemporary pop production with a message that is firmly rooted in Filipino values of joy and unity. The song radiates warmth without relying on overt sentimentality or spectacle, allowing its melodic hooks and earnest lyricism to carry its impact. Because in a genre often driven by maximalism, Ligaya stands out for its choice of emotional clarity over excess, thereby solidifying SB19's ability to translate the spirit of the season into a sound that resonates across age groups and musical tastes.
Gusto ko to guys, itong last line.
Gaya
Yeah,
stands
thereby solidifying SB9's ability to translate the spirit of the season into a sound that resonates across age groups and musical tastes. Kumbaga siya is for me, tuloy mo na to. Wait
out for its
Baka may
choice
ganun
of
pa.
emotional clarity over excess, thereby solidifying SB19's ability to translate the spirit of the season into a sound that resonates across age groups and musical tastes. And with this, SB19 is ending 2025 with a bang and making 2026 more and more exciting.
Okay, no. So yun guys, yung sasabihin ko kanina, no, what defines SB19 is all ages siya guys, kahit ano man musical taste mo, kung ano man yung hilig mo, no. Once na papakinggan mo SB19, lahat yan mare-reset po guys, no. As in, like, kunyari, mahilig ka sa mga kantang hip-hop, mahilig ka sa mga kantang rock, mahilig ka sa mga kantang ballad, guys, lahat ng yun ang binanggit ko guys, lahat ng yun guys ginagawa ng SB19, no? For me, hindi lang sila basta P-pop, talagang as in halos lahat po talaga ng genre ng kanta is kaya nilang gawin po talaga, no? Ganun sila kasolido kasi guys, kahit mga yung age gap, pag nakita nyo guys, no, makita nyo is halos from bata pa lang to teenager into mga 40s, 50s, talaga nakikinig po talaga sa SB19, no? Ganun kasolid po talaga ang SB19, no? And at the same time, guys, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, no? Lahat ng genre kaya nilang gawin, lahat ng genre kaya nila talagang i-release po, guys, no? Kaya syempre, si Ken, no? Mahilig yan, guys, sa mga more on, yan, nagigitara si Ken, and then yung music taste niya, guys, talagang alternative rock po talaga, no? Minsan nga nag-hip hop siya, no? Yung mga nag-rap din minsan si Ken, no? And then si Justin, guys, iba rin yung music taste niya, guys. I don't know kung anong music taste niya. I mean, I don't know yung anong music taste niya. I don't know kung ano yung tawag sa style niya, no? Pero more on, ano siya, no? More on sa love songs. I don't know, guys, comment down below. And then si Josh, more on sa hip-hop side po siya pag gumagawa talaga ng kanta, no? And then si Stel, mahilig siya sa mga ballad songs po talaga. And then si Pablo, ayan, sobrang, ano masabihin to? Sobrang flexible ni Pablo, no? Kahit anong genre, siya talaga solid. Kaya niyang gawin po talaga, no? Mapa-rock man yan, mapa-hip-hop, mapa-ballad, no? Solid talaga ni Pinuno, no? Talagang siya ang very fitting po talaga na maging utak talaga ng SB19, no? Not all na pagdating sa pagkasayaw, lahat as in, pero siya yung pinaka-utak po talaga in terms of pagdating po talaga sa as a whole, no? Yung idea, and then ibabato na lang niya, and then sila mag-expound, no? And then syempre, sharing of ideas sila, no? Pero si Pablo talaga, yung pinaka-utak, sa kanya nagmumula talaga, no? Okay. So, ayun lang guys, I hope na-enjoy itong video to, no? So, a very big shout out syempre sa ating P-pop Kings SB19, no? Continue lang sila sa kanilang dominate ng ating music industry. At the same time, hindi lang sa ating bansa, no? Pati rin po sa ibang bansa po talaga, no? Kinakaya nilang dominate, no? So, hindi na imposible guys na by 2026 or 2 years from now or 3 years from now, no? Yes, may kita na sila sa mga bigger stage like Super Bowl guys, na let's go. Kung ano mo mga bigger venues or bigger na networks ang makakapansin po talaga sa kanila. So kaya-kaya yan, pasusuportahan lang natin ating mahal. Hindi malabo yan guys. Kung yung ibang mga bansa nga is ginapang yan, no? What more pa sa atin na meron na tayong following, no? Ang kailangan na lang natin is to be consistent and ipakita natin yung kapangyarihan ng Pinoy na alas. Okay na guys, maraming salamat po na itong video to, no? Pero syempre, kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kindly ring the notification bell para alam nyo pag ako nag-release ng bagong video. So this is Pwede Ben signing out. Peace. Bless you.